Paano po kung tatlo yung mistresses? Sana po dito sa chamber natin, Mr. President, wala naman pong ganun. Alam ko wala naman po yata.
Ay ginagawang posible ang mas thoroughgoing o mas malakas pang batas.
Yung kakayahan ng batas para habulin yung dapat habulin.
Ay nagli-legalize doon, sinasabi lang po natin na nahuhulog din po siya sa scope ng prohibition. O yung ipinayo ng Commission on Elections na pinaka-implementable.
I ask this question because Section 3, Paragraph K of Republic Act number 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees define relatives as referring to any and all persons related to a public official or
Question we posed noon. I posed the question is that what happens to the mistress